Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and answering the Trust Computer prompt. This grants file access. Plug in a certified Lightning or USB-C cable into a stable USB port because faulty cables cause transfer failures. If you prefer wireless sync, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in Settings. This changes how you import. Once connected, open the Photos app or File Explorer on the computer. Make sure the device appears. Now you're ready to choose which photos to import and where to save them. Once the device is visible, on a Mac, open Photos and go to the Import tab. Select the items you want and choose Import Selected, which preserves metadata. On Windows, open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, right arrow your iPhone, right arrow DSIM, then copy folders or specific files to a local folder to control organization. If you use iCloud Photos instead, sign into iCloud on the computer and download originals, or enable iCloud for Windows. This centralizes images across devices, but may take longer to sync everything. After import, verify a few files open and that dates and locations match. This ensures the transfer preserved metadata. Move photos into named folders or an app for consistent organization, and immediately back up to an external drive or cloud so you have redundancy. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes. Use a different cable or USB port, restart both devices, and toggle the Trust prompt by reconnecting. Make sure iCloud settings aren't conflicting. If issues persist, update OS and retry the import steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.